This is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester in New Hampshire. Thank you for inquiring about the 2015 Ford Transit gas 6-cylinder. As you can see, the interior of the Ford Transit, cloth seats. As I indicated, this is gas. So they call this the midsize in the Ford brand. All this interior, of course, can be taken out, which is nice, as you do have the glass so you can see. See your size, and this does have the partition. As you can see, the Ford Transit is pretty simplified of all the things that you can do. It does have the 12V outlet over here as well, along with your controls. It is the shift here, which makes it very simple. They do have overhead compartments along with cup holders and on each side. Thank you for inquiring on our 2015 Ford Transit. Please feel free to contact me or call me. My cell is 603-702-2373. Thanks, and make it a great day.